Hey guys, it's TCB again. I'm back with a new video of Destiny. Got this like the first day, but I wasn't able to play it until now. Anyway, let's open this. Oh, this is plastic, really? Hold up. Okay. Oops. Okay. Here it is. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, no, you don't need to see that. Expansion pack. Gotta go get that. Maybe next week. And the game, I will put it in my PlayStation as soon as I can. I'll see you, I guess, the rest of you guys later. And my gamer tag is tahjbond, TAHJBOND, all lowercase, if you guys didn't know. But yeah, so I'll be playing Destiny today. If you want to come see me, you know where to find me.